In 2010, the Deepwater Horizon oil spill damaged the Gulf of Mexico ecosystem from Texas to Florida. The spill impacted natural resources like coral, fish, wetlands, beaches, and birds. Over the last 10 years, EPA and our federal and state co-trustees have made significant progress restoring the Gulf of Mexico's natural resources affected by the spill. Our efforts help to restore and conserve habitat, restore water quality, replenish and protect living coastal and marine resources, plus provide and enhance recreational opportunities. EPA and our co-trustees will work to sustain this progress into the next decade to benefit communities today and for generations to come.